Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Well, being that it's Wednesday, you know what that means. Wednesday walkthrough. A few things going down in the shop today. We're pretty much back to 100% around here. I know we got some more COVID scare going on, but everyone's bringing their car. We're keeping them clean, making them cleaner, and we are protecting these babies. So this Ram is getting a full front paint protection film package. Obviously, hand trimmed is our forte, so that's what it's getting. Full front, hand trimmed, clear bra. Back onto this Navigator. This is getting a full body clear bra. Full body hand trimmed. Stem to stern. So, typically, we are removing emblems, removing door handles to get a really good seamless installation on that. This BMW X7 is getting a lot of Spectra PhotoSync window tint and some other services as well. And these things are really cool. They've got this very interesting ambient lighting up here in the glass. Pretty awesome. Kind of a little fiber optic action going on in there. So that's going to look really cool. We're putting a clear Spectra PhotoSync on that roof panel, and it's got 3 roof panels, so it's a massive roof. So you'll still be able to see all of that really cool ambient lighting, but you're going to get the excellent heat rejection of the Spectra PhotoSync. Spectra PhotoSync is one of the top films in the industry. Best heat rejection that we have ever found, and we research a lot of films. If you ever want to know how any film performs, give us a shout. We have the data. This Model Y got a full body clear bra and some window tint, the Spectra PhotoSync window tint. That thing is going to leave here in the next couple days. This F-150 is getting a Maxion front windshield protection film. We're doing the Maxion Spectra on this. So being that it's a Spectra variant of the Maxion, it's going to have infrared rejection. So that's pretty cool. This Model 3 over here is getting full Spectra PhotoSync window tint and a lot of other services. So we're prepping all the windows so we can heat shrink on the exterior. That's why you see that weird buttery looking stuff on there. But it's getting a full front clear bra. It's getting a carbon dash. It's getting a carbon fiber steering wheel. It's getting some exterior carbon on the handles and on the mirror caps and on the fender vents or fender cameras. It's getting a full body paint correction, and it's getting full body Modesta BC04 long-term quartz coating. So that sucker's going to be a really cool transformation. Over here in the detail side, got some stuff going on. This Model X is getting a full body chrome delete. So as you see, we've already done quite a bit with it. This is getting a gloss black chrome delete. Door handles, mirrors, all the window trim, the fender badges, fender cameras, all over the rear trim, underneath the doors, and all of the front trim as well. Full blackout. You see, this is how they used to look. Chrome up here. Marshall's making them blacked out. They look awesome. This grill here was chrome, and so was the emblem. So that's black now. Chrome Delete is an extremely popular service from us. We've been doing it a long time. And as you guys are familiar, we're very meticulous with anything we install. So all of the edges are going to fit appropriately. There's no peeling, there's no issues. It looks really good, and it has an extremely long lifespan. And this BMW came in for window tint and Chrome Delete. So it's going to get pretty much the same treatment that the Model S is getting. All of this chrome is going to be gloss black when it leaves here to match the wheels. So it's going to be pretty cool. So, like always, you guys feel free to swing by, see what we're working on at any time. The proof is in the finished product for us. Over 20 years, that's how we've earned our reputation, is just by delivering good products. Yeah, you can find cheaper places. You can definitely find people to cheap out on you. But if you want to know the real scoop on any product, on any service, swing over. We'll build your knowledge on it. You can decide for yourself whether you want good or you want cheap. Have fun out there. Stay protected. Speed Shield.